These noodles are made out of rice, and they're the main carb choice for people in southwest China, where they're eaten all day long, 365 days a year. But unlike wheat noodles, which have a longer shelf life, rice noodles have a short turnaround time and have to be made, delivered, cooked, and consumed within a 24-hour time period.
Oh, so good!
This is a rice noodle factory in Yunnan province, and every day they produce up to 18 tons of fresh rice noodles from 9 p.m. in the evening to 2 a.m. at night. Here's how it's made. First, the rice is soaked for 16 hours, where it is naturally fermented. The fermentation process is key. The bacteria culture modifies the texture of starch and gives the noodles its signature springy texture. The fermented rice is then grounded into a paste, combined with water to make a slurry, and then compressed and molded into noodles. The noodles are quickly blanched and then washed in cold water. It's inspected and finally all packed out and sent out to the restaurants. There are a lot of rice noodle restaurants all over the province. Rice noodles are to Yunnan as to say pasta is to Italy or bread is to France. But why rice and not wheat? Generally speaking, China's main carbohydrates follow a north-south divide. As a crop, rice requires a lot of water, and the south of China gets more rain on average than the north. Therefore, the north specializes in wheat, which doesn't need all that much water, and the south, where Yunnan is, specializes in rice. This is Jia Fong, and she's the manager of the rice noodle restaurant, where they cook and sell over 260 pounds of rice noodles each day. Their specialty is 小锅米线, which translates to small pot rice noodle.
小锅米线呢，它的特色是烫，因为煮米线的时候它有一定的程序。第一道程序就是我们先打汤然后放肉，然后放入酱料、酱油，汤涨了以后，我们倒米线下去，然后放韭菜、放辣椒，然后再涨了以后倒入碗里，就这样就完了。
And every single night before she closes, she'll put in a new order of fresh noodles with her vendor. This is a continuous cycle where each spoke of the wheel is dependent on one another, and every day this process repeats itself again and again.